Hey, it's Jess. I just wanted to check in real quick because you just purchased the charcoal mask and I wanted to make sure you knew exactly how to use it, what it should be doing, and that everything was going great for you. So with the charcoal mask, you can use this twice a week. You might want to make it kind of regimented, like every weekend and Wednesday, or maybe it'll kind of be a flowing thing. Maybe it's just a Friday night thing. But whatever you decide, you can use it up to twice a week. And all you're gonna do is take some, squirt to your hands, and you're gonna put a good thick layer all over your face. If you don't like using your hands, we do have a great silicone brush that applies it beautifully and keeps your hands clean. It's awesome. But you're gonna just let that dry for 20 minutes. Enjoy feeling it tighten up, looking at all the changes. It's quite exciting, isn't it? And then you'll rinse it off. And that's all you have to do. And what's gonna happen is you're gonna see your skin tone brighten. It's gonna look healthier and more glowing and even. It's got the navy bean in there that helps to even out skin tone. You're gonna see breakouts diminishing because it's killing off bacteria. You're gonna see your blackheads getting better and diminishing because it's helping to clear out your pores. It is like magical. And it just feels great as well. So there was something I was going to say about that. I can't remember what the comment was, but twice a week you're going to do that. And I will tell you that for me, a lot of times what works in my schedule is to do it after I take a shower as I'm getting dressed and blow drying my hair, because it doesn't cause me to stop. I don't have to add any time to my routine. So I'll get out of the shower, my face is clean, throw my mask on, and then I'll get dressed, I'll comb out my hair, I'll blow dry, and that's about 20 minutes. Then I can rinse it off and keep moving. So find what works for you. If you like it more of a pampering style in the bathtub or in the evenings, go for it. Just practically, it works really well for me in the mornings. But enjoy using it, and don't forget, you can use it in multiple places. Armpits, it's a great detox area. Feet, or if you have bug bites or poison ivy or something, it will just apply it on there, help draw out that irritant and make your skin heal a lot quicker. So have fun, enjoy that charcoal mask, and let me know if there's anything I can do to help.